Hey guys, welcome back to King Boss. In this video, we are going to unbox all these puzzles. So let's get right into it. First of all, let's check out the thing we want to help you upgrade in the puzzles. The replacement screws of the Milong M. The Milong M is my main 3x3 one-handed. So let me get the cube. Guys, here is the cube and this is the main problem. The screw snapped and I have to order the replacement, so let's try how good these replacements are. Guys, let's continue with now with the 4x4. Yeah, guys, let's continue with the 4x4. This how to solve the cube. I will not be leaving that, so let's try the cube. Guys, the cube is very good and capable, but I think it is right for inside. Let's try putting some weight one in it. Guys, I have now put some weight one in it. Let's break in. It has really scratchy feel. I think this is because the cube is new and new. Brand new cube has do not have scratches on the plastic. The plastic is not so smoothing that out, so I think that's why the feel is there. The cube is really good now after putting some weight on it. I think this is one of the best budget 4x4 out in the market, except the Milong 4M, the magnetic version. If you can afford the magnetic version, you can also get that. If you only have budget of this, you can also get, and package is also really good. It is fairly stable and can easily corner cut, I think. Okay, nice. Do this. Okay, reverse corner cutting. Okay, it can do. The problem with the budget 4 that the budget 4 do not have really good corner cutting as per the more expensive like the IJ MGC or any other. This cube is really good for me, just 500 rupees. It has good reverse corner cutting. That's why I am able to do ads on it. Let's guys move on to the 2x2. Let's start the 2x2. Guys, the 2x2 drift is also really good. I think it is not better than the Meilong, which is my main at the moment, because it do not have good corner cutting, as you can see. Now 45 degree, but the Meilong can easily do 45 degree. Let's check out the reverse corner cutting. Guys, let's try to loosen this cube little, but if the regular corner cutting improves. Guys, let's try the Tubedo had loosened the east side by a quarter turn. This much. The normal corner cutting improved, but not as good as the Meilong. But this cube is really fast, which I appreciate, and let's see if the cube is end up my main. So stay tuned for that. Let's continue the dynamics. Let's check it. This PMX has really good connecting. I didn't expect that after reviewing the 2x2. And it is snappy, but it is not magnetic, I think. I will guys see about that if it's magnetic or not, but it feels really snappy at the moment. So guys, this is for today. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another unboxing. So stay tuned for that. Thank you. Bye.